Hello and welcome to Algebra 2. Today is Thursday, November the 12th, and our topic is remainder theorem slash tables and factors review. So, two review topics today. Great. Let's dive into our first example. Make sure that you pause your video and write the original. Okay. It says the function f is defined by a polynomial. Some of the values of x and f of x are shown, which must be a factor. So we know something is a factor when f of x equals 0. So we have a factor when f of x equals 0. Okay, so right off the bat, it can't be this one, and it can't be that one. So we're really interested in these two. The first one tells us x equals 3, which would be a factor of x minus 3. Remember, we flip signs there. The second one would be x equals 4 with a factor of x minus 4. So in the answer choices, we're looking for either x minus 3 or x minus 4. It can't be part A, can't be B, it's definitely C. Let's check D, and it's not D either. Okay, great. Let's move on to our next type of example. Make sure you pause and write the original problem. This one wants us to state whether p minus 2 is a factor. To do that, we are going to have to plug in positive 2. So if p of 2 equals 0, it is a factor. If p of 2 does not equal 0, it is not a factor. Great, so let's start plugging that in. So we've got 2 to the 4th minus 8 times 2 cubed plus 10 times 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 4. Okay, 2 to the 4th is 816 minus 8 times 2 cubed is 8 plus 10 times 2 squared is 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, we've got 16 minus 64 plus 40 plus 8, and we crunch these numbers now, and we do get 0. So our final answer is p of 2, p minus 2 is a factor because p of 2 equals 0. That is our final answer. Okay, we just have one more quick example today. Make sure you pause and write the original problem. When h of x is divided by x plus 8, the remainder is 0. Given that h of x equals this, which condition about h of x is true? So first off, we know a lot of things. Since the remainder is 0, x plus 8 is a factor. We know that negative 8 is a solution, and if negative 8 is a solution, that means when I plug in negative 8, I'm going to get 0. So let's look at our answer choices. h of 8 is a trig answer. We've already written answer choice B, so that must be it. Let's check the others anyway. X minus 8, it didn't say anything about x minus 8, and no conclusion is very, very rarely the answer. All right, guys, that's everything for today. Thanks.